Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got a really random range haul to show you today. It's this massive bag. It's really random stuff. I like watching these types of videos and these types of hauls. So it's like cleaning products and homeware bits. And it's not that exciting for most people. I like it, so I thought I would do it. I did actually buy all this on Sunday and it's been sat in my car waiting for me to be able to make a video. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the bits that I picked up. There's a few food bits in here as well, just like randomly thrown in. So just to let you know, I have got a few other videos coming up. Get ready with me. And I have a giveaway coming up as well. So I did, when I used to make videos going back like 10 years ago, I did a few giveaways and I really enjoyed them. Like I did a few competitions and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to put together a giveaway. I will make a video about it. So if you want to see that, please subscribe, and that will be up in the next couple of weeks. I look like Hagrid today. Kind of. I'm in the same setting as I was in my last video, in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to start with something really random. I also have to try and remember the prices of everything because I did throw away the receipt, obviously. So I've got some teddy cakes, really random, barney cakes, chocolate, soft baked bears. I've mentioned in another video, I do have a little boy and he is obsessed. They're like £1.85 or something like that. For 8. If you don't know what the range is, by the way, it's a shop that's a little bit like B&M Bargains or Home Bargains, where they sell everything pretty much. Yeah, and it's affordable really. But I love going in there. I always go in there for like one thing and come out with a million other things other than what I actually went in for. But yeah. Next thing is Cadbury Brunch Bars, chocolate chip version, and these are like £1 for 5. Again, my little boy loves them. Something that is really not that exciting. I have cat food for my cats. Just bog standard Whiskers poultry selection in jelly, if you were interested in what I fed my cats. I have really fussy cats and they won't actually eat any other brand of cat food. I have tried various different types and they won't eat it. They will only eat that. Are we getting any more exciting? It's bigger than my head. This is Robinson's apple and black currant juice. Again, my little boy loves this. And it was like £3 for a huge bottle. 3 litre bottle to be exact. I have some Thirst Pockets, you know, as you do. That's very exciting. I know. I think that's like £2 and you get 200 bigger sheets. You know, if you needed kitchen roll, there you go. I also have a pack of Pure Sensitive Complete Cleansing Wipes. For sensitive skin. These are for when I'm feeling really lazy. Yeah, I'll take my makeup off with them if I'm really not feeling doing a full skincare routine. I know these aren't great and people really dislike makeup wipes, but sometimes they're essential. They were 8 to 9p. I'm doing quite well at remembering the prices here. We have a Zaflora Disinfectant Mist in Mountain Air. 24-hour fragrance, kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including cold and flu, for hard and soft surfaces. And this is for the pet range, so it's safe to use around pets. My little cat Persia, she did make an appearance in my last video. I do have 2 cats and I always try and get products like this that do say they're safe around pets, obviously. I really like Zaflora. I do use quite a few Zafloras, but I have like the concentrate, yeah. You know, the bottles of the disinfectant, and then I mix out water, and I have spray bottles that I use. But I've spotted this. I've never tried it before, so I thought I'd give that a go. That was about £2, something like that. I do love cleaning products, like no joke. In the kitchen, the majority of cupboard space is taken up by cleaning products. I had to completely take over 2 entire cupboards, long cupboards. You know, where you open the door and it continues into the next space. I have 2 of them completely full. Yeah. Makeshift shelves and everything, because I have that many different products. Next thing I've got is some Comfort Intense Fresh Sky perfume pearls. If I'm washing certain things like bedding and throws and anything like, you know, I want to smell really nice, and then I will throw these in, because I normally use like Ariel and Comfort anyway, but these just obviously make it a bit more intense. These are about £2.99 for a bottle. You get quite a lot in there actually, 275 grams. I've not tried this scent of these before, so yeah, I thought I'd give them a go. The next thing I've got is a bleach pen. The brand is Prism. This is one of those really random things that you see that's hanging on the end of an aisle, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. So it's a stain remover, ideal for removing stains on laundry, also works great around the home. And I just thought, like, you know, with kids you can never know, like they just kind of leave marks everywhere they go around the house, and there's a lot of white in the house. So I thought, yeah, this was quite a good idea. I've never tried it before, but we're going to give it a go. And that was £1 as well. I've got some Comfort Ultimate Care in Fresh Sky. So this is the same scent as the pearls. So this is like a dream team. So I'm not 100% sure if I've actually used this one. Yeah, I have. It's very intense. It's right. So that's £2.99 for that bottle as well. It says you get 58 washes in there. I never do get the amount that they say. I do end up putting like a double amount in there. Next thing I've got is a bag of Elcium Spa, I think you pronounce that. Elcium Spa de-stress bath salts. Natural magnesium sulfate crystals with frankincense essential oils. I've got quite like sensitive skin, so I can't really use like bath bombs or anything that's really overpowering. There's only certain things I can use, but bath salts seem to be all right for me. They don't really bring out any sort of reactions or anything. So yeah, I got some of them to try them. We're collecting something in the corner of the camera here. I'm sorry about that. Next thing I've got is basically fake minkies. Reason being, I got 3 in the pack, so I got really excited because it was 3. I got grey ones. These are for the kitchen. I do have like separate minkies for certain rooms, so blue ones for the bathroom, grey ones are for the kitchen. But yeah, there's 3 in here, so I thought that was cool, and it was about £2 for that pack as well. So they're a lot cheaper than the actual minkies. I don't know if they're any good. I've never used them before. And then speak of the devil again, I have an actual minky, an M-cloth, antibacterial bathroom pad. So yeah, as I just mentioned, I do use blue ones for the bathroom. These are really cool. They're really like thick and bobbly, which is good for like, you know, like gritting the area. You know what I mean. I think minky's about £2.99, I think, for one. But yeah, I do tend to favour, you know, a legit minky. So the actual thing I went in for was bedding. So I've got a few bedding bits from the My Home range, which is like the range's own range of homeware. So I got 2 Oxford pillowcases in black, bog standard, £2.99, can't go wrong. Yeah, I mentioned in my old video we did move into a new house. We've been here 6 months somehow already, but it's just not finished yet, and there's loads of things that we still haven't got. A lot went in the bin when we moved in, and yeah, so I'm just trying to over time kind of stack back up to having everything that we need. But yeah, so just bog standard pillowcases. I do also have a pure cotton fitted sheet. This is from Disinfectant brand, which is majority of the bedding, and I think curtains as well in the range. Medium grey, I'd say. I did really want a black one, but then black shows up like little bits and stuff. This is about £8. I think it was £7.99 or £8.99 for the fitted sheets. They're usually all around a similar price. And last but not least, what I actually went in for, bedding. So this is from the Sienna Home Collection range, which they have a lot of as well. Usually the pretty kind of sets that are like crushed velvet and that kind of stuff. So it's black with crushed velvet. Hopefully you can see that. It's basically got like a panel on it. You're not going to be able to see this picture because it is so dark. But it's like a black bedding material. What would you call that? Like polyester? Something. And then it's got bands of like crushed velvet on it. King size. You do get 2 pillowcases in there as well. So we've got like 4 pillows. So I'm planning on putting the black ones underneath and then these on top. That's it really. So that was the end of the haul. I told you it was pretty random. As I mentioned, I've got a few more videos coming up. If you've got any other requests, please just leave a comment and let me know. I have had a couple of requests already, so I'm going to work on them as well. And thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I realised as I started doing it that it's the weirdest haul ever as soon as I pulled the cat food out. And then the kitchen roll.